Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on booking.com. I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on booking.com. Maybe because you want to travel to somewhere else, so you're looking for different places and someone suggested you this app that through this app you could find different places to stay, so you just want to give it a try. Or maybe you're just a traveler, you have been using other apps and you have heard a lot about this app, so you want to give it a try. Or maybe you're traveling for your company, or maybe for any business deal, so you're just looking for places for your company and other stuff. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create your account on booking.com. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the booking.com app in your mobile phone. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, you can easily create your account on it. You don't have to go for a lot of information like the apps ask when you're creating your account on it. It will just take your email address and will create an account for you. So just simply tap on the icon of the booking.com app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see this interface, but that doesn't mean that it allows you to use with your account. So to create account, you have to click onto this account option. Once you click on it, here you will see this option sign in. Simply click on it and it will show you four options. You can use your Gmail ID to create account on it. You can use your Apple ID, your Facebook ID, and any other email of your choice. So whatever the option you want to go with that, just simply tap on it. It will ask you for your email address, provide it email address, and it will create your account on it. It will not ask for a lot of questions, and here you can see it just took the email address and it will create account for you. But right now, if you're going to book any places or maybe cars, but before that you have to create your profile on it. So to create your profile, there are options available. You can go on it. You have to fill your personal information into it, and after that you will be able to book different places and book different cars. As I said earlier, and you just saw that it did not ask for a lot of information like other asks when you are creating account on it, like they ask for your phone number, your different address, and a lot of stuff. It just took your email address and created your account. So that is the best thing about this app. And once you use this app, you will find it very useful and easy, that everything here is very easy and useful. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on booking.com. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.